I like ingredients that work hard for me, and jarred peppers certainly do that. They're not only sweet from the peppers themselves, but they pick up briny and pickly notes from the salt and the vinegar in that liquid, so they're really complex. I've got 5 of my favorites here on this table, and let's start with the pimento down here at the end. Now, they're used in pimento cheese, that famous spread. They're also inside your olive, or they could be dried to make paprika. They're the sweetest variety here on the table, and they're also the softest, really a little bit mushy. Next up, the peppadew. Now, these were discovered in a backyard garden in South Africa in the 1990s. The variety is actually called Juanita, but they're branded peppadew. Now, the peppers themselves are pretty spicy, so the liquid inside this jar has sugar in it to temper all of that heat. You can find mild or hot versions of these, as well as a golden variety that's pretty mild. I like to stuff them with cheese and put them on an antipasto board. They're kind of expensive, so I wouldn't use them in cooking. Next up are the cherry peppers. Now, these also come in hot and regular or mild varieties. Hot cherry peppers are pretty similar to hot peppadew, except you're not going to get any sweetness because there's no sugar in this jar. I like them in a antipasto board as well, but I gotta say the peppadew are my favorites rather than the Italian cherry peppers. Sorry, Nana. Next up, another pepper from Italy, this one from Tuscany. Now, I use the pepperoncini sliced on a pizza bianca. I think the acidity of the pepper cuts all of the richness of those cheeses. These are a little vegetal, almost a little metallic or bitter in the same way that a green bell pepper can be a little bitter, but delicious. And finally, banana peppers, and you guessed it how they got their name. They're fruity with a little kick. They're the classic in Rhode Island fried calamari. Again, these pickly, briny, sweet peppers contrast the richness of the fried seafood. I'm going to leave you with one final pro tip, because remember, I like ingredients that work hard for me. When the jar is empty, don't throw out the liquid. You can use it in sauces like a remoulade. It's great in a potato salad, or you can put it in a martini. Now that's a good idea.
If you're ready to take your cooking to the next level, try our digital all-access membership, where you can stream every season of Cook's Country anytime. Scan the QR code or head over to cookscountry.com to sign up for a free trial.
And let's make something great together.